How to crop video in Davinci Resolve. At the bottom of the viewer, click on this drop-down and select Crop. Now drag the sides of the video and crop it however you like. Another way to crop video is to select the video and open up the inspector panel. Here under cropping, increase crop left, right, top, and bottom based on your needs. Here we can easily crop the top and bottom of the video and create a cinematic wide video. Just set crop top and bottom to 100. Now right-click on the timeline and select Timelines, Timeline Settings. Uncheck Use Project Settings and set video height to be 880, which is 1080 to 200. Set Mismatched Resolution to Center Crop with no resizing and click OK. Now go to Deliver page and render this video. And now we have real cinematic wide video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.